Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green beans from grocery store beans. First, select healthy, fresh green beans from the produce aisle. Look for beans that are firm and free of any blemishes. Next, find a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Finally, prepare your soil, ensuring it drains well and has a neutral pH. Once your seeds are ready, plant them about 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. If you're planting in rows, space the rows about 18 to 24 inches apart. After planting, give them a good watering to help the germination process. For pole bean varieties, remember to set up a trellis or stakes early for them to climb. Green beans thrive with consistent moisture, so water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. If your soil lacks nutrients, you can apply a balanced fertilizer, but green beans generally don't need much. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids or diseases, and address them quickly to maintain plant health. You can typically start harvesting green beans in about 50 to 60 days. Pick them when the pods are firm, tender, and about 4 to 6 inches long. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more beans, extending your yield. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown green beans in salads, stir-fries, or simply steamed as a delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.